Hi, I'm Marta, and this is Garrity. Welcome to our channel, Chic Passport. We are from Canada and do a lot of camping within our own country, which relates in road trips. We also take a lot of boat trips and ferries, as well as travel abroad. We try to record anything we can to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching our channel, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Good morning. Today we're excited because
we're going on a fishing trip. I'm kidding. We're going on a boat to visit a few islands here in Croatia.
We're doing islands and caves, and it's 10:30 and we come back at 6:30, so it'll be an exciting day. We'll hopefully get some good drone shots of private beaches, and yeah, that's it. See you later. We're just on our dinghy boat. It looks like that one.
I hear the army coming round the corner.
So this is the Blue Lagoon. Obviously the water is super turquoise, and there is a bleep ton of boats. So we're at this Blue Lagoon beach. It's super nice. A lot of rocks though. Pressed on our first stop, and it's not even supposed to be one of the nicest beaches. And Garrity is actually in the water, which means it's warm. He's in the far distance. He stole a pear and is eating the whole thing. What a guy. I have nothing. Just put your hand out. He's...
So she's looking like the cave, just without the
Stiniva Beach.
So with the boat it's not possible to go directly on the beach, but we will park the boat over there, and then you can go by the swim on the beach. So we will spend it here hours. So now it's 1 o'clock, so we will stay here to 2 hours. Everyone knows how to swim. Yeah, you don't need a life jacket.
I hear the army coming round the corner. We man the barricades to reach on the farthest end. And I pray the wise man shows us hard from holy.
It's pretty unreal. I'm winded from that swim in my life vest. Garrity was trying to be brave and swam here, but had to hold on to me towards the end.
I hear the army coming round the corner. We man the barricades to reach on the farthest end. And I pray the wise man shows us hard from holy. Oh, we give strength to find our destiny.
Just chilling in the water. The cave's unreal. Alright, we're at our next destination, which is the Blue Cave or Green Cave or something of a sort. There's a lot of boats here. Apparently we're going pretty close to the edge. But if you want to actually swim in the cave, it's an additional fee, and the driver said it's not worth it. And I think we have one more cave anyway.
I hear the army coming round the corner. We man the barricades to reach on the farthest end. shows us hard from holy. Oh, we give strength to find our destiny. Unbroken for days, with every chance to break me. Yeah, you came here to save me. To be unbroken again. I'm stronger than intended.
Going in. It might get dark. Also, I don't like bats. Yes, cool. We're in a cave. I'm ducking because I hate bats. Flip you back over. The view on this island is epic and the water is beautiful. We're opting out of this Blue Lagoon tour just because there's such a long wait, and honestly I just want to be on land. So we're gonna find a nice spot to drone.
I hear the army coming round the corner. We man the barricades to reach on the farthest end. And I pray the wise man shows us hard from holy. Oh, we give strength to find our destiny. Unbroken for days, with every chance to break me. Yeah, you can.